Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to translate page on Firefox. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to another browser and download the Firefox browser, because it does not come with Windows. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the middle of the screen, we have, as you can see, the search bar, and in the top also, we have the add shortcuts. You can go and add, of course, your new tabs, and in the top right corner, we have the three horizontal lines, and here we have the settings and all of different things. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and translate page on Firefox. First of all, click the three horizontal lines menu button in the top right corner and select add-ons and themes. So click here, then click on add-ons and themes, or click Ctrl plus Shift plus A. In the left sidebar, click on extensions. So this is the second thing, as you can see. And then search for translation add-ons such as Google Translate to Google Translate or I'm Translator, so you can do it here. Then click on add to Firefox. So basically, if you go and click on Google Translate, then you just need to go, and when you find it, click on add to Firefox. Here for these things, of course, which one ever you want. So you can go into it and add it to Firefox, as you can see. Once installed, you can usually translate a page by right-clicking on it and selecting Translate Page, or a similar option provided by the add-on. Some extensions may add a toolbar button for easy access to translate features. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. That will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And bye guys.